7 News from Thatta, Dhabeji. Drinking water supply intensifies in Dhabeji. Residents of the area have set up a symbolic hunger strike camp. Resident of the area Mustafa Sario, Nasir Silhari, Hafiz Ghulam Hussain Pawar and others, while talking to media, said in Dhabeji Market, Bilal Nagar and Bambo with different areas has lack of water for 3 years. If one day water is provided and remaining 10 days will be again lack of water. Citizens are compelled to buy water in high prices. Public health has given illegal connections to farmhouses, agriculture fields, poultry farms and factories. And due to this all connections, water has stolen from the colony members. They again said that public health has to change all motors into new motors and cut all the illegal connections. If our demands are not accepted, our hunger strike will be on peak. Residents of the area appeals to Sindh Chief Minister Sadiq Memon, DC Thatta to take notice and fulfill all the demands.
पब्लिक हेल्थ की नाअहल इंतजामिया को पब्लिक हेल्थ नाअहल इंतजामिया को धाबेजी को
Camera team report Shahid Samoor, TN News, Dhabeji.